Just walk, Johnny. Just walk. Fucking hell.
Look right now, look right.
Okay. Shit. So, day one of the bike trip. Bike's all ready. Bike number 2. Bike number 3. Johnny's got a bandana on and he's very excited.
Got an injury though.
He already has an injury.
An hour into our first trip. Nearly crashed already. Robocop doing okay. Robocop stalled it for the first 2 miles and now he's got the hang of it, I think.
Day 1 is complete. Probably the toughest day of our lives. How are you doing?
I'm great. I feel empowered, like I could do anything.
Johnny?
We've just had a fatality. It's me. It took us about 1 hour to go, about 2k, because it's a shortcut. So,
He's gone mad. So today we make the route from Panthea all the way up to Delat, and it's a lovely day.
beautiful day.
Small breakdown, but we're ready to go again. Dancing at the petrol stop. Ride 3. Just getting a quick oil change from these friendly mechanics. Happy, happy, happy. Like Nick.
So we broke down again. Basically my bike broke down. So it's a really shitty road. Yeah, chain control. But I got a ride from a really nice guy. That was really cool.
It's dead, baby. So it's dead.
On ride number 4, and it's raining, so we've come to a restaurant, but we don't understand any of the items on the menu. Excited about lunch, boys?
Yeah. They love this rice and stuff.
Lots of rice, lots of different meats, and they're very friendly here. Johnny! Boys, bamboo fishing at this beautiful lake. So, just got back from a 10-hour ride, and our faces are quite dirty, as you can see. A little coffee in the morning. Johnny's doing his best to talk to the locals about coffee.
I like coffee.
What happened to your bike?
It fell over.
And what happened as a result of that?
The tyre went flat and I broke the wing mirror.
Johnny's got a flat tyre and a broken mirror. So Johnny's puncture has turned into a bit of a flirting session.
Johnny's getting all the girls.
Johnny's getting all the girls. So we've just come on this road. Apparently it's a motorway. And Nick has just fallen off his bike, but I think he's okay. Very, very muddy road. And
Find Nick's key.
very muddy bike with a lost key somewhere in this mud. Friendly local, helping us wash ourselves. Some locals. Johnny found the key. Show us the key.
It was like a key in the mud.
Yeah, a needle in a haystack. A key in this horrible mud pit. Fucking riding. Can't see shit. Do you not find that funny? It's gone mad.
Nick can only turn left.
It's gone mad. So, ride number 8. It's been waiting a long time for Nick. and and Johnny, who decided to go completely the wrong way. Noobs.
Get there.
No.
Pretty good.
Okay, John.
Feel the leg wobbling. Yeah. On the leg wobbling first.
Go for a mental one, John. Do something crazy.
Do jumping jack.